You cannot minimize your pores, girl. You have to go get that done. Laser. What's up? Hola, ¿cómo están? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining again. On today's video, I'm going to be doing of course, tutorial and also a review on a new brand to me, which is called Revolution. It's a drugstore brand and it's affordable. It's kind of like up on that level as Morphe, so you guys can also find it online. But I got sent out some goodies that I want to try it out with you guys. Let me know if you guys have tried out this brand, but I will link everything down below. If not, I will put how much is each product that I'm using. But I also asked you guys on Instagram to choose from 2 palettes, and you guys chose this one. So you guys are going to get to learn how to create this look and everything, which is super easy, you guys. It's wearable and it's perfect for fall. So let's jump right into this video. Where's my coffee at? So I don't have anything on my skin. I need a primer, but they didn't send out any primers. They sent out so much skincare. So the first one that they sent out is this calming and soothing moisturizing cream. Packaging is freaking cute. And they also sent out their 12.5 vitamin C super strength formula. It helps to improve the skin radiance. So they sent out the 2% hyaluronic acid, and it helps to improve the skin hydration. And then we have the super strength formula, which has 15% of niacinamide, and it helps to reduce the look of blemish and pores. So I'm gonna go with this one to use it. And then the last one they sent out was a 5% retinol with rosehip and seed oil, and it helps to even out the skin tone. Oh my god, did my camera just go low? Girl, get back in your area. I swear. This tripod, let me try to stop it. So I'm gonna be using the one that helps with pores, because the pores, look at that, girl. You see that? And I exfoliate, but I'm telling you, you cannot minimize your pores, girl. You have to go get that done laser, I think laser, but not with makeup or lotions or anything. No, it has to be with the laser. So it's kind of like thick. It's not watery, it's thick. There's no scent, and let's see, I like to press it onto my pores. Sorry if you guys hear stuff in the background, but the kids are on school and I'm trying to get this girl. So if they ask for help, you guys know I'll be back. So it's kind of sticky, so I'm sure it will help as a primer. So I didn't get any foundation from them. I know they have one, but they sent out 4 concealers. As you guys can see, this is how the packaging looks. And there's a small one, and then there's a bigger one. So I'm gonna use this as a foundation. It just says conceal and define infinite longwear concealer and crease proof. So I'm gonna use C10. I like the fact that they have the color. Well, the bigger one has the color right here and right here, and the smaller one, I gotta find out the difference for you guys, but the smaller one just has the color and the name on the bottom. So I'm gonna use C10 and just pray that it just goes with my skin tone. But it says it's a 16-hour wear. A little applicator. So I'm just gonna start right here. Oh, that's crazy. It looks like it is my skin tone. So now I'm just gonna blend it. It has a little bit of scent. It's a little lighter than me, but girl, we can make that work. Remember, you can always make it work and just apply your bronzer all over your face, and you will not look light no more. Oh, it is lighter than me. How come the camera is not picking it up? It doesn't dry fast or anything. And remember, I'm using a concealer, and you can always use a concealer as a foundation. I have done this so many times, and it's full coverage. Oh my god, look at that, I'm getting a double chin. So there you guys have the foundation. It is lighter, but it's okay. So now I'm gonna use this concealer, which is the C9.2, and it's a little bit on the yellow orange. It's a little bit on the orange side, just to color correct the blues. So I'm just gonna put that right here in the inner corner and just blend that. The brush that I'm using, it's from Fit Glow. I love it because it's like a dual side brush. And the smallest one I can just use in the inner corners. Oh, You guys, I need Botox. Can you guys see those lines? So now I'm going to use C5.5, which is lighter, just to brighten up the area. Regularly, I haven't been using this mini concealers because I just don't like it. They crease, but this says they don't crease, so we're gonna see. So they sent out this luxury baking powder in banana, and I already used this and I like it, so I'm gonna show you guys how that looks on camera. But so they sent out 2 palettes and I'm in love with this one, you guys. And now this one is called the Forever Flawless. The packaging is just beautiful, like bunch of mattes and also not glitter but more on the shimmery side. So here's how they look. Second palette they sent out is the Reloaded Iconic 3.0. This is the one that you guys chose on Instagram. So I'm gonna create a mauvey smoky look maybe. I like when they have mattes because if it's all shimmer, I wouldn't like go towards it. So I like that they have some mattes so I can use as my transition shades. You guys know me, I love my transition shade. I'm going to apply this color. So I feel like you have to build it up. So this one is not as pigmented as I thought. You do have to build it up a little bit, but I'm just applying that color all over the crease. And the brush that I'm using is by Morphe, the R30 or 20. I don't know, the number is like fading away. But you do have to build it up, but there is no fallout. So I'm going to add this shade right here on brow bone. I'm gonna cut the crease. I haven't cut the crease in a while, so apply a little bit on my lid. It's a flat brush. All right, so I cut it. Now I'm going to just add that shadow I showed you guys. Ooh, girl, you need just a little bit. This thing is pigmented. I'm gonna grab the color I started with and just blend that on the crease. I always do this, even if you guys don't see on the video, I always do this. So now I'm going to be adding this shadow right here with a smaller brush and adding it where I need the rest of the shadow. So it also has shimmer. So this one does have shimmer. I thought it was matte. It's not as matte. Let me show you guys with my finger. It's like a semi shimmer. So I'm going to add both of these shadows. Oh my god, my nails look bomb. I did it myself. Okay, so I'm gonna add both of these shadows on my bottom lash line just to smoke it out. I'm gonna start off with the gray one first. I'm using a Sigma short shader E20 and adding it, starting it out on the inner corner. Ooh, forgot it was pigmented. Because it's so dark on my inner corners, I'm gonna wet my brush, just a tiny brush, which is a pixie brush. It's called a pencil brush. To add this one right here, which it has more shimmer. So moving on to eyeliner, they did send out this eyeliner right here, but I already tested out. I love the packaging, I love the way that it looks, the felt tip, but I don't like it. I don't like it. So I had to be honest with you guys because obviously there's a lot of you that purchase what I tell you guys, you know, so I didn't like this. First of all, it's not matte and I don't like eyeliners that are not matte, so it's on the glossy side and it kind of like feels like it's crusty on my lid and you can see it like, you know, getting dry, you know, when it's an old liner. That's how it looks. Maybe I got the bad batch, I don't know, but that's how it looks. But the eyeliner that I've been using a lot that I love, it's the Breakup Proof from Wet n Wild. It's the Breakup Proof from Wet n Wild. I love the way that it just glides so smooth. I did kind of mess it up, but it's okay. Moving on to the next product that I received from them is their Body Glow for face and body. This thing, packaging is so cute first of all, but it smells like coconut. It smells so good. It reminds me of my dad's car when he puts, you know, those air scents. It smells so freaking good. So you need just like a drop, you guys. just a drop. I'm not gonna put it in my face. I mean, I could and use it as a highlight, but look at that. Like they ain't playing. Like that thing is so much. So I'm just going to add some. This time I would just add it to my lotion, but it smells so freaking good. So it's nice and glowy. Maybe let's just add some with my finger because it is too much. Moving on to lipstick, you guys. They sent out this lipstick called Ruby, and it has the name on the bottom, and I'm not sure if all of them have the same color of the lipstick at the top, but it has red lips, and then this is how they look. But it is so pigmented. I'm not going to use that on my lips just because it doesn't go with this makeup look, but I just wanted you guys to see that it's so pigmented. It just glides like butter, you guys. So there goes the lipstick, and this one is Ruby. I'm gonna put a lipstick on right now and come back and show you guys the final look. Look, they did send out this Conceal and Define Infinite Mattifying Longwear Makeup Fixing Spray for 16 hours. So, ooh, I have spray bar. If not, yeah, it's really the mist is, let me see. Okay, there's nothing wrong with the mist, but it's like really harsh. But I'm gonna spray my little beauty blender, and you can always do this as well. So here's the final look, you guys. I hope you guys love it. Thank you so much for everyone that chose this palette on my Instagram. Make sure you guys go follow me on Instagram so you guys can help me choose what palettes to use, what to review, and all that good stuff, you guys. I'm always on there if I'm not posting on here, obviously, or if I'm not posting on Instagram, regardless. Now onto the products. I loved everything. The eyeliner I didn't like, so being honest with you guys, the eyeliner I didn't like. I hope I got a bad batch. If you have one, let me know what you think. I think the setting spray is a little bit of harsh, but you can always work with it. Spray so far, or like I showed you guys my trick, spray your beauty blender and then blend everything, but it smells really good. I feel like the concealer, it's freaking full coverage, big time full coverage. I still don't know how much it lasts. It says a 16-hour wear, but girl, I'm not gonna wear it for 16 hours. So I'm just probably going to keep you guys updated on Instagram. And yeah, I love this. This thing smells so good, and you just need to, I mean, I feel like this is going to last for years. I mean, how many? It's for 12 months. It's for, oh my god, I seriously will have to put this on my lotion, but it smells so bomb and it looks so glowy. I put it on my skin so you guys can see. It does have like a little bit of shimmer on it, but it smells so freaking good, you guys. So that was it. I will see you guys on my next one. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give it a big thumbs up, and also comment down below what else you guys want to see, and if you guys have tried this brand. So let me know what you guys think. Bye bye.